Welcome to the Carlson Kitchen. I'm Chef Marcy with another recipe to make your meals nutritious and delicious. Have you heard of Ribose? It may sound familiar, but I bet you don't know exactly what it is. Ribose is a simple sugar that our body naturally produces for our cells to create energy, and it aids in muscle recovery and athletic performance. Luckily, Carlson makes these convenient single-serve Ribose packets. It also comes in larger containers if you'd like to scoop it out on your own. These packets are easy and convenient. You can throw them in your purse, your gym bag, so when you're out and about, on the run, you always make sure you have plenty of energy. Today we're going to make two smoothies. We're going to start with my favorite, kale, spinach, and apple, which is perfect for before or after a workout. All right, so we're going to just get right to it. I like to peel the apple. A little peel can still stay on, but you want to take most of it off. What I like about the Ribose powder is that it really blends well into the smoothie, but also accentuates the apple and the lemon. I like to give it a quick chop, just to make sure it blends nicely. There we go. Next, the spinach. We really only need the leaves for this. Just pop it right in there. We put about a cup of spinach in the blender, and now we're also going to do about a cup of kale. People ask me what's healthier, spinach, kale, but honestly, they're both filled with such wonderful nutrients. They're superfoods, so honestly, the answer is easy. They're both perfect. And next, we're going to do half cup almond milk. I like to use unsweetened almond milk. There we go. And jazz it up with a half teaspoon of ginger, half teaspoon of cinnamon. There we go. About a teaspoon of lemon juice. There we go. Like to cut it on the side there, miss the seeds. Squeeze that right in. And now some ice cubes. 1, 2, 3, 4. All right. I think we have everything that we need in there. Now for the special ingredient, the Ribose. Perfect. It's already starting to dissolve. It's such a perfect product. And let's get some blending action in here. Oh gosh, the color is vibrant and bright. Perfect serving size. I cannot wait to taste this after my workout. But before I go, I'm going to give this a quick rinse and get ready for my husband's favorite smoothie. And why is this my husband's favorite smoothie? Because it involves chocolate. This is my chocolate banana smoothie recipe, which also happens to be high in magnesium, which is an important mineral for brain and body function. So first we'll start with a banana. Chunk that up in there. Tablespoon of cocoa powder. Tablespoon of tahini paste. There we go. Tablespoon of pumpkin seeds. Half teaspoon of ground flax seeds. Almond milk. About a half a cup. There we go. And the all-important ice cubes. And then the star ingredient, Ribose powder. Single serve, easy and convenient. And here we go with some blending action. Yum, there's nothing like chocolate. And for some reason, every time I make this smoothie, my husband seems to show up. And there he is, right on cue. For these recipes and more, visit carlsonlabs.com.